You've probably come across those oddly satisfying ASMR videos. The ones where hyper-realistic glass objects are sliced so smoothly it almost feels therapeutic. They're everywhere right now, from TikTok and YouTube Shorts to Instagram Reels. And some of them are getting tens of millions of views. What most people don't realize is that the creators behind these viral clips aren't just doing it for fun. They're making real money. And when you see how polished and cinematic these videos look, it's easy to assume you need expensive software, high-end hardware, or exclusive access to tools like Google's Veo 3 to even begin creating something similar. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating your own viral AI-generated ASMR glass-cutting fruits or food videos from scratch, using tools that are either free or incredibly affordable. And I'm not just going to show you how to make them. I'll also explain how people are monetizing this type of content and how you can do the same, starting today. This is a full step-by-step tutorial designed to help you go from zero to a fully functional ASMR content machine that can generate high-quality, scroll-stopping videos. If this sounds like the kind of content you want more of, then do me a quick favor. Subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and let me know in the comments what other AI tricks, tools, or monetization strategies you'd like me to break down next. Now, let's get right into it. Our journey begins with ChatGPT, but not the regular version you're used to. We're taking things up a notch by using a custom GPT specifically trained to act like a personal ASMR creative director. This isn't just some generic chatbot. It's designed with one purpose: to help you generate stunning, photorealistic ASMR visuals without the usual frustration of prompt engineering. I'll leave a direct link in the video description so you can access it instantly, but if you want to find it yourself, just search for Create ASMR Images for Videos inside the GPT store. Once you've opened it, you'll immediately see what sets this GPT apart. In the past, trying to get tools like DALLE or Midjourney to generate beautiful ASMR-style images meant writing long, repetitive prompts. You'd type things like ultra-detailed cinematic lighting, macro lens, photorealistic, 8K resolution, shallow depth of field. And after all that effort, you'd still end up with a melted object or a hand with 6 fingers. It was exhausting, and more often than not, the results missed the mark. But this custom GPT changes everything. It's like having a seasoned food photographer, a set designer, and a filmmaker all rolled into one virtual assistant. It already knows what makes an image satisfying to look at. Whether you're going for molten chocolate, frosted glass, or sliced fruit suspended in midair, this GPT speaks the visual language of viral ASMR. For this demonstration, we're going to keep it simple and use one of the built-in presets. I'm choosing Rainbow Oreo Cake, which is one of my personal favorites. The moment I click it, the GPT instantly generates a rich cinematic prompt, beautifully detailed and optimized to create exactly the kind of glass-cutting image we want. There's no need to tweak or rewrite anything. It's already spot on. So at this point, we've got our highly detailed and professionally composed prompt. It looks like it was captured by a $1 million prompt engineer. But here's the thing. A prompt, no matter how beautiful, is still just a block of text. The real magic begins when we turn this text into a living, breathing animation. Before we continue, I also want to share something especially valuable for those of you who are ready to start earning from your content right away. If you're serious about turning your AI videos into income, but don't want to wait months to grow a brand new account from scratch, I highly recommend checking out this platform I personally trust, where you can buy verified, monetized TikTok and YouTube channels based in the UK or US at a very affordable price. These channels are already approved for monetization, which means you can skip the hard part and start uploading your videos and earning immediately. Whether you're focused on shorts, reels, long-form content, or AI automation, this gives you a powerful head start. No guesswork, no delays, just plug in your content and begin building momentum from day one. And the best part, when you use the link in the description or pinned comment, you'll get access to exclusive discounts on these accounts. It's a smart shortcut for creators who want results fast, without breaking the bank. If you're ready to take that leap, go check it out. Now it's time to bring our ASMR images to life. And this is where our second essential tool comes in: Google Veo 3. If you want to follow along using Veo 3 for free, make sure to check the suggested video where I show you how to claim $300 worth of Google Cloud free credits and start creating without spending a dime. And if you do not have a Veo 3 access, check the suggested video above. Head over to your browser and search for Google Flow. If you already have an active subscription, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, copy the prompt we generated earlier from ChatGPT and paste it into the text input field on Google Flow. Next, make sure to select Text to Video as your generation type. Then click on the settings icon and choose Veo 3 Fast as your rendering model. Take a moment to double-check everything: your prompt, video settings, and aspect ratio, just to make sure it's all correctly set up. Once that's done, click the Generate button. And within a few seconds, boom! Our ASMR video is ready. Let's go ahead and preview the result. Now, if you want to create more ASMR videos featuring different glass objects, like a glass apple, melting ice, or even floating glass planets, the process is just as simple. Start by copying your original prompt, then open a new ChatGPT chat window. Ask ChatGPT to generate similar prompts based on the new objects you want to feature. It will easily adapt the style and tone to match, giving you a variety of high-quality prompts without any hassle. Once you have your new prompts, just take them one by one and run them through Google Veo 3 using the same steps as before. In minutes, you'll have an entire set of stunning ASMR clips ready to go. Let's preview the second one. Looks satisfying, right? Once your video is ready, simply click the download button to save the clip to your device. As you probably already know, Veo 3 generates videos that are just 8 seconds long, which is perfect for shorts and reels. But if you want to create longer ASMR compilations, there's an easy fix. Just open up an editing software like CapCut, import all your short clips, and stitch them together. This way, you can combine multiple satisfying cuts into one seamless video that feels more complete and engaging, perfect for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. At this point, you now have the full workflow that top creators are using to build highly efficient content machines, capable of producing viral, satisfying ASMR videos on demand. And the best part? You've done it without relying on expensive, exclusive, or hard-to-access tools. The only thing left is for you to take action. Start experimenting with different objects, try out new tools, mix in various sounds, and play with creative ideas. The possibilities are endless, and now you've got everything you need to begin. I truly hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and packed with value. If it has, all I ask is that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. Now go create something incredible